Solana is currently trading at 27.81 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value movement of 0.52 in the most recent 60 minutes. Sol has a total market capitalization of $11,195,635,961. With a 24-hour trading volume of 1385190,568 and an unobtrusive manner, this sort of makes Solana Sol truly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in a truly significant way if you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Solana cost expectation end of 2023, what will Solana generally be truly worth in 2023 in an in every practical sense huge way? Is Solana fundamentally wise speculation? Or these kinds of RR Solana cost estimates for Sol's future are breaking kind of high in a fundamentally meaningful way. Solana, according to the Solana estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SOL cost is expected to cross a normal value level of 25.99. The normal kind of least value worth of Solana toward the end of the truly current year ought to be 25.11, demonstrating that these basically are our Solana cost expectations for SOL's future in a significant way. Besides, SOL can basically arrive at a sort of most extreme value level. August 2023 Solana value figure, the truly regular cost of Solana SOL could generally go to 23.78 by the end of August 2023, or they basically considered SOL could plainly be swapping about a truly highest price of 24.67 with a truly lowest price of 22.68 in an unobtrusive method. Solana SOL value hypothesis September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Solana is essentially expected to arrive at a truly typical cost of 24.49, while the coin could fluctuate between a sort of limit of 25.86 and at least 23.39, which is fundamentally a very large SOL estimated value. For October 2023, in relation to October 2023, Solana is expected to have a truly lowest value worth of 24.10. Lovely, despite popular belief that the loan cost might have a kind of most extreme cost of 26.84 cents, with the typical cost being about 24.98 in an unpretentious manner. Solana's expected value. The cost of Solana by expand is clearly expected to essentially reach an extremely low value of 24.60 in November 2023, which is actually enormous. The loan cost may truly reach a buy and big most extreme worth of 27.84, with a truly average trading worth of 25.48 by 2023, or so they assumed. Solana SOL value estimate December 22, 23. For December 2023, the cost of Solana is especially anticipated to really arrive at an especially normal cost of 25.99, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 29.11 and a very least of 25.11, which in a real sense is very huge. Solana a pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Solana's cost in a real sense has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 7% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours. So in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Solana cost expectation end of 2023, what will Solana in a real sense be worth in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? From kind of most recent 7 days, the SOL really was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 28.91. In an unpretentious manner, Solana most certainly has shown areas of strength for essentially potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense great chance to buy and large dive right in and contribute, demonstrating the way that SOL could in a real sense exchange around a kind of most extreme worth of 24.67 with the truly least expected cost of 22.68, which explicitly is very critical nonetheless after the contrasting the kind of current cost and truly beyond 30 days cost history. It essentially is seen that Solana sort of has expanded 8.493 in its worth, which especially is very huge. The genuinely usual monthly lease cost is $24, although the genuinely most extreme especially normal value sort of was 25.45, which explicitly is extremely significant. This implies that this coin is a reasonable resource and another addition to your collection of coins for the long haul, which particularly suggests that it will solely cost surpass its untouched counterpart. high, which is often enormous. The 90-day cost change is generally around 12.45, and the cost has generally flowed from an essentially least in every practical sense normal cost of 23.79 to fundamentally greatest certainly normal cost of 25.22 in the truly most recent 4 months. Solana explicitly has shown a developing pattern that is genuinely huge, so we believe that comparative pieces of the market generally were very frightened. Solana sort of is exchanging at 27.81 cents in terms of its US dollar rate with a value change of 0.52% and very most recent 60 minutes or so they in every practical sense are up by 51.71 with the fundamentally most extreme essentially normal cost of the coin basically was around 11.44. And they really believed Solana value conjecture 2023 facts, what will generally be Solana especially worth in 2023, it is surely extremely critical after 4 months or so the single cost is determined to arrive at an exceptionally highest level of 29.11 with a very low cost of 25.11 at the end of 22-23 type of additional appearance. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler, has asked Congress for more money to deal with risks in the crypto markets. He stressed the need to deal with people who don't follow the rules and to protect buyers from the risky nature of the cryptocurrency markets, which he called the Wild West of finance. By giving the division more money, the SEC hopes to improve its ability to deal with problems in the cryptocurrency markets, cyber and information security, and the stability of key market infrastructure. This step is seen as very important to protect American families and investors who have put their hard-earned money into the volatile Bitcoin market. But Gensler has been criticized for the way he focuses on enforcement in the cryptocurrency business. Except for Bitcoin. He thinks of most cryptocurrency tokens as stocks. The recent ruling by